My name is Dan, and I'm a product manager at Grafana, and this is a quick video to show you our feature, Save Queries, formerly known as the Query Library, which we are releasing into public preview. This feature exists to help users save their queries and also share them with other people in their organization if they think they'll be useful. So let's start in Explore and write a query. And let's say that this query is really useful and I want to save this query for future reference. I can go here and click on Save Query. So I'll open up the Save Queries drawer. I can give it a title. Query for video query, and give it a tag, Team A. And there's also a checkbox here, where if you check the box, all users will be able to see it, while if it's unticked, only the author will be able to see the query. So if I now save that query for video, I've got it here, and I close the Save Queries drawer, and I remove the query that I just had. Let's say I'm a different user and I want to add that query. Click on Add from Save Queries, go to Query for Video, and I select the query, and here it is. Now let's pretend that I want to replace this with a different query, and I'm looking through the queries that are available to me. Well, firstly, if I remove the data source filter, you can see all the queries I've got here. You can filter by data source, filter by author. At the moment, that's just me, or filter by tag. So if I filter, you can see how that works. You can also search. So if I type in useful, you'll get these queries where I've got the word useful in the description. There are favorites for when, if I remove that filter, that search, favorites, which are the queries that have been favorited, which you can do in the All tab, and also recent, where you can add recent queries like this. A recent query, save. Another thing to note is that you can edit these queries as well. So let's grab query from video. The lock icon is here saying that it's locked, which means that no one can edit this for now. Only the author of the query or admins are able to unlock a query. So let's go ahead and unlock this. And now I'm able to edit it. I can edit information here for the recording. I can add a new tag, Team B. I can change the title. And save that. I'm also able to, in that context menu, duplicate the query or delete the query. On top of that, once the query's been unlocked, I can edit that query in Explore. Clicking on it here, I can change this to something else. And now save that query, and the query will have been updated. When you use these queries, we copy paste the whole value, essentially. And so once it's been updated, if you've used it previously and you want to change that, you'll have to go and select the query again where it's been used. The last thing I wanted to show is that these can also be used in dashboards. So if I make a new dashboard, I'm able to also replace with a saved query, grab this one here, and it's automatically populated. That's everything. I hope you find that feature useful.